Okay, now it's harvest day. First thing you do is unplug the pumps, the heater, and the fan. Take off the lid. And what you'll see here is that there's a thin channel of water that's not frozen in the middle. You don't want to just tilt it up because that water will then get on the floor of your freezer and freeze. So we provide you with a pump to pump the water out. There's a crossbar. And the depth of this channel in the middle depends on how long you let the block freeze. For instance, we had this one freezing for 3 days and it made a really nice block. The block is probably 12 inches thick at its highest point, and then looks to be about a 3-inch, 3.5-inch depression where the pumps are so that they don't freeze in. You can change this by the amount of cube ice you put in and the amount of days that you freeze it in. Be careful though, you don't want to freeze those pumps completely in there. It will really shorten the life of the pump. Okay, now that you've finished pumping all the water out, the next thing you want to do is take out the bar that has the pumps on it. It comes off, set that aside. Then tilt the block up. Do this with your knees, please, not your back. Now the strap can come off either before the block is tilted up or after you've tilted it up. And now you're ready to take the can off. Before you take the can off, I would take the little plastic off the corners. It should slide off a lot easier then. And you made a beautiful clear block of ice, 20 by 40 by 10, no clip marks, and it just took you about 4 minutes to harvest it. Ready to start your next block.